beast of the sea, bringing air power anywhere. This is the United States aircraft carrier, the ultimate symbol of military dominance. With a 300-meter floating runway, this carrier can launch dozens of fighter jets within minutes. The electromagnetic catapult system, EMALS, hurls jets into the sky at high speed, battle-ready in seconds. Powered by a nuclear reactor, this warship can operate for 20 years without refueling. U.S. aircraft carrier ruling the seas, dominating the skies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic military content.